how to stop Google Photos from automatically uploading and upload manually. So if you want to stop the Google Photos from automatically uploading, then first open up your Google Photos, go for the profile, which is on the upper right, and once you're here on the profile, you can go for Photos settings. So tap on Photos settings, make sure that you have the latest version. You need to simply go for the Play Store and update your Google Photos, and if you are updated, then you will have that photo settings option. So make sure to update, and then here you can simply tap on backup, and under your backup you need to turn off your backup. Now once you've turned off, now go back, and then you can open up your gallery and you can simply choose a photo or a video. And once you've chosen, now here you will have three dots on the bottom right of your screen, and from here you can upload it to anything like the documents, or you can generate, or you can simply tap on share, and once you tap on share, you can upload your photo from here to the different applications or to different friends. So that's it. That's how you can stop your Google Photos from automatically uploading and upload manually. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks for watching.